Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your Telegram wallet. And this is very simple if you will do the following steps. Alright, first tap on the search bar and fill in here wallet. Then tap on the wallet account and from here tap on start. Alright, now he will send us some information, and from here if we tap on open wallet and then I agree the terms of use. Let's do continue. Alright, from here we want to tap on let's go. And now we just created our wallet just right here. But we want to protect our wallet. That is one of the most important things to do when you just created your wallet. And we can do that by clicking left in the top on the wheel and then tap on show ton space beta. Please turn that on. And now if we go back, you will see here the option ton space beta start exploring ton. So if we tap now on that, start exploring ton, backup via email, fill in your email address, fill in the confirmation code, and wallet was successfully backed up. Alright, now if you tap on view ton space, you will see here a lot of options. And if we tap now from our wallet on the wheel left in the top, you will see the option under ton space beta, passcode and face ID. That is one of the most important things that you need to enable when you are using the wallet option. So now tap on enable passcode, confirm passcode, recover email. Alright, enable face ID. You can do it now. I don't want to share my privacy, so I don't do it now. So maybe later, but please do this when you want to be sure that no one can hack you. Tap on maybe later, and just right here we create our wallet. We did the privacy stuff, so our wallet is safe now. And these are the things that you need to know to create your own wallet on Telegram. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.